Hello everyone! Welcome to Injection Skills Academy. This video is created strictly for educational and training purposes only. It is intended for healthcare professionals and students. In today's video, I'll demonstrate the aseptic. Dilution 50 ml normal saline inside a laminar flow hood, following proper sterile technique. Medication preparation and administration should always be performed according to institutional protocols. This procedure is performed under strict aseptic conditions to help maintain sterility during medication preparation. Manufacturer instructions and under appropriate professional supervision.